So today I'm going to show you how you make my favorite Korean cream cheese garlic bun. I know it's a mouthful, or it's Korean cream cheese garlic pull apart. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyong itawag dito, pero trust me, this is very delicious and it's very easy to make. This is my favorite go-to snack if I want to taste something uniquely satisfying, you know? Ano daw? Pero nasa-satisfying yun ng bongga yung taste buds ko kasi it has that sweetness because of the cream cheese. At the same time, it's also savory because of the garlic and the butter. Ewan ko, bahala na, hindi naman ako chef and hindi ako expert, pero I really like this and I am sure that you guys will like this too. So, let's go ahead and start kasi masyado na akong madaldal. So, first thing that you want to do is i-mash natin yung cream cheese. Yes, itong cream cheese na to is galing pa sa fridge, so hindi siya room temperature. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, hirap na hirap ang varvie. Pero, ma-achieve naman natin siya mga varvies. I have my, what do you call that? Mixer. Pero, I prefer to just use a fork kasi hindi naman ganun kadami yung kinikream ko. Ayan, room temperature nga kasi te. Ang varvie, pinilit natin siya kahit galing pa sa fridge. Bonggam-bongga talaga ang varvie doll. Diba? Tigas ba? Pero wag kayo mag-alala, later ma-achieve natin yan ng bonggam-bongga. So there, we'll set it aside first para mag-room temperature siya. Daw? Pero ayun, gets nyo na yun mga varvie. Let's proceed. Next naman is the garlic. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mince our garlic. It doesn't have to be finely minced. Ako mas gusto ko yung medyo may nangunguya ako kasi parang ayun yung nagpapalasa dito sa garlic cream cheese bun na to. Whatever you wanna call it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
And then, we're just gonna beat 1 egg. So, there, ayan. Bida-bida, beat, ganon. Char. Tsaka ng voice over na to.
Blood in circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
We'll just add a little bit of our salt and then pepper. Konting-konti lang. Salt and pepper to taste nga, diba? Katulad ng mga sinaunang kineso. And then, our butter. So, slice lang tayo ng very light lang na portion ng butter.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
And then we're gonna melt our butter.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Tapos, once this is melted, ilalagay na natin yung minced garlic natin. Sarap! Natitikman ko siya ngayon, guys. Bulol pa. Natitikman ko siya habang iniisip ko siya. Parang gusto ko ulit gumawa ng bago. Charing! And then, we're just going to transfer it to a heat-proof nalalagyan. Sabaw talaga ako for today's video. I'm so sorry. Pero ayan, transfer na natin siya kasi we're going to put basil and oregano. Kasi mas feeling ko mas social yung taste niya. Para siyang ang isang bun is nagkakahalaga ng mga 700 pesos. Sure. Ayun, nagugustuhan ko kasi yung lasa niya if meron ito. Tapos mix lang. Kasi later dito natin i-dip yung ating bun. So ayan, achieve na natin yung kinakailangan nating texture in terms of our cream cheese. So we're gonna cream the cream cheese and the sugar together just like that. Bongga! And then we're just going to transfer it to a plastic, or if you have a baking piping tool, whatever you may call it, kasi ipapipe natin siya inside the bun later on. Ayan, perfect! Ayan, ang cute na mga buns natin. Bonggam-bongga. So, ayan, slice, skirt, vroom, charing. Slice lang natin siya. Yung ginagawa ko is cross lang siya. There. Tapos, dyan natin ipapipe inside the incision, yung ating cream cheese filling there.
With you, I don't ever feel calm.
It doesn't have to be perfect. As long as malagay nyo lang yung feeling sa loob nung ginawa natin.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins.
On the clip, as you can see, tinidip na natin siya dun sa egg, butter, and garlic mixture. And then, guys, paniwala kayo sa akin, linis yung pinaglalagyan kong baking pan. Trust me, I've been using that since 2 years old. 2 years old nang i-bake na si Varvie. Malinis yan, guys, trust me. And then here, nilalagay ko lang yung mga bawang-bawang kasi gusto ko talagang nilalasahan yung bawang. We're gonna put it inside the oven that we have preheated. Tapos wait lang natin siyang magding. There, it's already done. Tapos na po siya, ayan. Bonggang-bongga. Gusto ko yung mga may toasted areas. And of course, we're going to make our coffee para super yummy ng ating merienda.
Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string.
Harap, Dad. Nangis ko yung lasang kanya. Tsaka ang lambot pala.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Kung ako sa inyo mga Varvie doll, i-try nyo na siya kasi super yummy talaga to. Ilang beses ako nakapagsabi ng yummy sa video na to kasi it's really yummy. Hindi ko na alam kung ano mga sinasabi ko, guys, kasi ang sakit na rin talaga ng ulo ko habang ina-edit ko tong video na to. Pero ayun, this is really yummy and I hope you guys would try it. And I hope you like this video. So please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Parang awa nyo na. Thank you. Bye-bye.